I had a question today about flash fill versus text to columns. I'm Kelly from the 365 Training Hub. Let's jump into Excel and have a look at the difference. Let's look at flash fill first. I'm going to split these names, first name and last name. I'll type in Robert, press enter, and you'll see Margaret automatically fills down. That's flash fill, that's built into Excel. Now let's try it with numbers up the top here. So I want to extract the number from the NZD. Type in the first number, press enter, type in the second number and hope that the pattern will be offered, but it's not, it doesn't work with numbers, so we'll have to try something different. I'll select the values, go up to the data ribbon, and from here I'll use text to columns. I've got two options, delimiter or fixed width. We're going to use delimiter because the delimiter is the item or the space which separates the number from the NZD. You can see that's the consistent part which breaks up these two. I'll choose space here. You can see it's separated them out. Click next and you can see a preview. Where do I want it to land? A1 suits me fine here. I'll click finish.